All right, what up, good people? Another episode of Import Life Media brought to you by yours truly, Big Daniel. And today we are in Anaheim, California at the Anaheim Convention Center. Spocom is throwing an event. Usually, they're always huge, dope, and a good turnout. And what's crazy is when I was in the parking lot, all the way upstairs at the top of the parking structure seemed empty. All different levels seemed empty. And I kind of got confused as in, is this event not big or am I in the wrong place? So we'll see what happens when we go in. And as always, let's see what they're talking about. Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
All right, so cars are here. And it's deep as always, so understand this too. The event's been going on from 4 o'clock to 10 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? So right now, got a couple hours left, so people might have got here earlier, but let's check out these cars. Everybody, I want you to look at this right here. So nice.
That's mine?
Ooh, oh yes.
Wait, you want to see what's even nicer? Wait. Look at how cute.
No way. Oh, baby. No way. Yeah, I got you. I got you. What's up with you? How are you? I'm Daniel. Nice to meet you. Pleasure.
Wow, got that all.
Yeah. Hey, he customizes his car and his drawers. You know what I mean? You ain't seen nobody do that. Where they do that at? BB got it. Yeah.
All carbon. 9 pieces.
Fully carbon trunk, 9 pieces. Look at this. Everything fits perfectly. Damn. And I hope the camera's picking it up, but it's not just black. It's
There's a carbon underneath the acrylic. Yeah.
what color is this though?
Red reflections. It's the same as that I did on here, and then I got it inside, and then we did carbon one-off carbon fiber made by me.
Are you ever gonna be done with this car?
Yeah.
Like, he wins #1 everywhere he goes, and yet wants to keep on changing it up, making it harder for the regular people out here. You know? Got another one for you. Look at this Dodge Demon. Look at this one. All right. There's a lot going on here. Got the trunk fully done. Look at that. And the magazines, custom interior, TVs. We got this door opening. And we got it going up. How you like it? How do you want to get in? All right, let's ask the owner of this car a couple questions. Let's see what he has to talk about. Let's see. What's your name, sir?
Mike.
Mike, I'm Daniel.
Hey, Dan.
Owner of this car right here.
Yes, sir.
So let me ask you a simple question. What was the first mod that you made? The first one?
Oh, it was just lights.
Just
Under the hood.
I was like, just got the lights, and then what happened? Did you get in a race and somebody beat you, or did you see somebody else's car? Like, there's a lot going on here.
So my wife bought the car for my birthday, picked it up at the dealership. So got an illustrator, found out what we wanted. We kind of gave him the idea, and this is what he came up with. And
so it looks.
This is all paint.
Oh, really?
There's no. It's not vinyl. Everything on this car is airbrushed.
And then they put a clear over to protect it.
Yes.
And man.
Inside the car is all airbrushed. Yeah. The car was actually sanded down to the bare metal.
Man.
And repainted with a 3-stage red pearl.
Tell everybody once again how to find you on Instagram or any social media.
So I'm red_demon_charger. That's my wife, actually, Stacy. She's part owner of the car. She's the inspiration.
Pretty much what he's saying is we need to go out, all you single men out there, and find women like her. She's the one that bought the car.
I am.
But did you regret it? Because he started putting so much time and money into it.
Never regretted it. It was what he liked, what he wanted to do, and that's exactly what I got it for.
Because you know, a lot of people say I have a wife and then a mistress. You know?
Actually, that's exactly what I wanted to get him. Something that he could play with, have fun with, and that's the thing.
Pretty much what she's saying is she had to try to find a way for him to separate from her. She needed her time and space. You know what? I would stop the video, but check this out, man. You guys been watching the show. You guys see what I do. Why haven't you liked and subscribed yet? It's easy. Just hit the button. Just hit the button. It'll be good to go. So not only can you be informed of everything I have going on, but it puts me in the algorithm and lets other people know what I have going on. All right? Let's go ahead and get back into the show. But if you can, support me. You like the video? You like what you see so far? Hit that like button and please subscribe. Let's keep it going. All right, leaving the event, it was actually, from what I saw, a good turnout. I saw a lot of new cars that I hadn't seen in past events, and outside of the parking structure being empty, people showed up and showed out. So yeah, if you can, man, if you guys like the episode, please like and subscribe. And man, that right there, let me just see, that is a beautiful fountain. I'm about to say waterfall, fountain. But yeah, like I said, please follow me, like and subscribe. And if you haven't done so yet, go ahead and hit me up on IG at Import Life Media. And stay tuned for the next episode, man. I always trying to bring you guys something new, something you might like. And if you have any suggestions on what I should do next or where I should go, comment. I always respond back and let your boy know. All right, y'all. Till next time, stay blessed.